Hey, appliance junkies. So we get so many appliances in every single day. There's no way we could keep them all in the warehouse, put them on the showroom. They haven't been tested. We don't know if they're good. We don't think they'd be stripped. So welcome to the storage container where we go to grab some stuff whenever we need it. This is a 40-footer and it is slammed from front to back. We're starting to stack them up now. And this is just what you do, man. You just get them and keep them, put them to the side. You know, you're gonna strip them out. A lot of these will be fixed. You know, a lot of these will be parts, which we know how valuable parts are. So, you know, you just make space, man. You just make room. Yeah, they're gonna pile up. Yeah, you know, people will be bitching about it, especially your wife and whatever. But hey, man, you got to keep all this stuff. All this stuff is good. Even if it ain't no good, it's still good. You know what I mean? So when you get those appliances, man, don't turn them down. You know, if you're getting them for free, if you're driving around scrapping, you know, if you got like us, we got a delivery guy. Anytime he makes a delivery, he brings the old stuff back. You know, of course, we pay him for it. So you just stack them up, man. All this is money right here. All this whole container. So anytime you get an appliance, whether it's working, not working, save it, strip it, sell the parts, fix it. They ain't hard to fix, man, or just throw them in a storage unit and get to them another day. That's what we doing. All right, junkies, later. Save them appliances. Like and subscribe.